Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Lysol Disinfecting Wipes. Yeah, I like these a lot. I am the kind of person that likes to pretty much disinfect everything. I use disinfect sprays. I use gel, hand sanitizer, that kind of thing, to kill bacteria and stuff. So I also use the Lysol Disinfectant Wipes. I like to keep things from having any chance of passing on any kind of viruses or bacteria to me. It's just, I hate being sick. I hate catching something because I just hate it. I mean, I don't know who would love it, but it's a pain. I like to stay healthy and keep things real sanitary. So I use these. These do really well. Lysol is a very, very well-known brand, and it has been around for just decades. It's just been around a long time, and it does the jobs. Their wipes will destroy the flu virus. I mean, if any flu is going around, you wipe down the areas, really good with these wipes, and you're good to go. I mean, I'm not saying you won't get the flu if you have these, but it will knock it out if it's on anything that, that you're touching. It really cleans it well. Like it says, 99% of viruses and bacteria. It really gets it all. It's very strong. And what you will like, and what I like, probably most of all of this, it's this lemon scent that it has. This comes in lemon, and this is the one I always get, and it smells so good. It really does. It makes things smell so clean. You just want to sniff these towels. It's really, really good. I have some of these that I carry in my car with me, and I'll take one or two, like if I am going into the market, and the carts that you use it's filthy. It's really, really dirty. And I know a lot of stores have little wipes that you can actually wipe and clean cart handles, but some don't. So I'll keep these in the car. I mean, not just for the store, but to clean little things in my car. But yeah, I'll wipe down the handles, of the cart, and make sure it's sanitary and clean. I also will use these when I go bowling. Those bowling balls are just ridiculously nasty. Those holes, you can catch anything from there. But yeah, so I use these. In this pack comes 15 of these. I go through them, so I buy several of these packs. It's not very expensive at all. It really does the job. It really, really does what it's supposed to do. The actual wipe itself is not very big. It's like as big as a tissue, but that's the size it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be like a towel or anything. And there's enough on there to do its job. It cleans and disinfects, so anything you want, like to be sanitary, as far as bacteria or virus, and you're afraid that this is gonna be kind of dirty, you wipe this down and you're good to go. Yeah, very, very good. Also, it's good to use. I have a lot of these around. If you have like a child, if you have like a baby or expecting a baby, you want to keep things really sanitary. If you have have a child inside your house or expecting a child to come, you know, because they get sick very easily. When I first had my kid, oh boy, I was cleaning everything. Everything was dirty in my mind, you know. Oh, don't touch that. Oh, they keep that away. But I mean, it is what it is. I mean, you don't have to go crazy with it, but it's nice to have a product out there that actually will keep everything real sanitary, real clean, and get that bacteria out of there, you know, because it's everywhere. It really is. This brand and this wipe, it does the job. It really does. I've used it for a long time. It's very good. I like it a lot. All right, well, this is Lysol Disinfecting Wipes. All right, 15 in the pack here. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.